Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another beauty box to share with you, and this time it is Next, and it's the Next Beauty branded beauty box. It's a rather big box. Now this is the third beauty box that Next have brought out. They brought one out in the summer, and then they brought one out at the end of October, beginning of November, and then now in my last video I was saying I hope they start doing this like ASOS. You know, a monthly box, we get to see what is in it, we get to decide whether we like it or not, and then we purchase it or we don't purchase it. So I'm not sure whether they're just doing it just because it's Christmas, but I really hope they start doing this regularly. I think it's good value for money. They cost £15, and this month's box has a value of £78 and has 13 products inside. What subscription box out there has 13 products that'll cost you £15? There isn't one, not that I know of anyway. Fingers crossed that we will see one in January, because yeah, I think it's brilliant. I think it's really good. So on to unboxing it then. There's bits all over the place here. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek. Now it looks like it is jam-packed, doesn't it? That's what I thought when I saw it, because I said, whoa, look at the size of that box. And look at all these items. But hold on, there's a lot of excess packaging. The very first box that they brought out in the summer was a smaller box, and it was jam-packed and it was brilliant. Last month's was the same as this. It just made me realise that once you take that packaging away, the contents just look tiny in a big box like this. So I was hoping that they'd bring back the smaller box, but no. Now there's no information and leaflets and things in the box, so I'm not able to like refer to them if I need extra information. But if I can find these products online, either on the Next website or other websites, I'll pop them down in description, and links to this box as well. I'll pop down in description, so underneath this video, so you show more, click that. That'll bring up description, and all links and everything I can find will be listed down there. So the first item is Boucleme. I think that's what it is. I remember having this last month, and this is Kales Redefined, and this is a curl conditioner. It's plant powered curl care, and we got 100 mils here. So in last month's box we had a cleanser, which is a shampoo. When I read it last month, I'm sure that it's like it can be used for any type of hair. It says here, conditioner can be left in for thick curly types or rinsed out for finer wavier hair. Yeah, so it is really for curlier hair, isn't it? So and now I've got two of them. I might actually give them to someone that I know that has curly hair, because I think it'd be just better off giving it to them, really. So there's that. Next we got something that is really amazing. I love this perfume. It's Good Girl, and it's by Carolina Herrera. Eau de Parfum, and it's 7 mils. Now I tried this a couple of months ago, and this size as well, in a Latest in Beauty box, and I was really impressed, because look at this. That is so cool. That is so cool. It's a little stiletto. That is gorgeous. Really pretty. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. That is such a nice perfume, and it looks stunning. It looks stunning. So yeah, so I'm really happy to get that again. Next we've got a product by Sanctuary Spa, and this is the body butter, and we've got 50 mils here. I've tried this numerous times, and it is really lovely. It is really lovely. It's nice and thick and luxurious. Yeah, you can see in there. What's the smell like? Although I probably got the perfume smell going on now. No, I can sort of smell it. Yeah. So there's that. Next we got something for the nails, and this is only small, but I'm really excited to give it a go. And this is 5 mils, and it's Nails Ink, and it's Caviar Base Coat. It's a base coat. So it's only teeny tiny. But obviously that'll last quite a while, because you only need a tiny bit to put on your nails. But yeah, no, I'll give that a go. At the moment I've got gels on, but my nails are growing underneath them, so I think when I get them done again I'm just going to have overlays, and then I'm going to stop in January. So yeah, so we've got a Nails Ink Caviar Base Coat. I've never tried this before, and I haven't heard of it either. So there's that. Next we've got a product by We Are Paradoxx. This is a game changer multitask hair mask. It's got kelp seaweed for repair and rejuvenation, and there's 15 mils there. So it's a little teeny tiny tin. Just see a little bit in there. Enough to give it a good try, but then saying that, that's just equivalent to a big blob, isn't it, on your hand. So if you've got really thick long hair, you're not going to be getting much out of that. Fortunately for me, my hair is quite fine and thin. I've got a hairpiece on at the moment to thicken up the bottom, but yeah, naturally thin, fine, and not really long, so that is enough for me. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Emma Hardie, and this is a Purifying Pink Clay Detox Mask. 15 mils again. I've tried a lot of Emma Hardie products, but I don't think I've ever tried this one before. A Purifying Pink Clay Detox Mask. Wow, so it deeply cleanses, purifies and balances the skin, refines the pores and gently exfoliates, immediately reduces high colour and redness, improves moisture levels in the skin. Clay masks are the best masks, in all honesty. They are. For me and my skin, I really, really like them. But yeah, I got an Emma Hardie one there. So there's that. Then we got a product by Mio, Fit Skin for Life, and this is Shrink to Fit Cellulite Smoother. And this is high intensity body care to smooth, moisturise and firm. And we got 30 mils there. So what's it say on the back here? The high concentration of powerful ingredients help to reduce appearance of cellulite and dimpled skin. Massage a small amount into stubborn cellulite once a day for 30 days, rubbing product in vigorously. Continue to use 3 to 4 times a week to maintain results. So Shrink to Fit Cellulite Smoother. So there's that. Now this item scares me. It's a fake tan. It's by a brand He-Shi. He-Shi, no, He-Shi, isn't it? And it's Express Liquid Tan, and it's in shade medium. Instant hydrating self-tan with quick drying and non-streaking formula for face and body. I've got 50 mils here, but can you hear that? It's a liquid. It's a liquid, so instantly that says to me, mess, big mess. Unless I put it on like a glove, you know, so you pour it on there first and then it absorbs and then I apply it to my body. I'm not too sure, but I prefer, even over lotions, I prefer mousses because you've got more control. But liquid, oh, I don't know. I've never heard of this brand before though. So yeah, so we got a fake tan. Then we got a toothpaste, and this is by Regenerate Enamel Science. I've had this lots of times in different boxes, and yeah, it's a good toothpaste. It is a really good toothpaste. It's an okay size. It's handy, like as I said, to go away. They're more like travel sizes in this box, isn't it? It's a chance for you to try products, I suppose, and if you like them, then you go off and buy the bigger sizes maybe. But yeah, we've got 14 mils here. And yeah, it's a really nice toothpaste. Not more to say about that really. Next we've got mascara, and this is by bareMinerals, and this is Lashtopia Mega Volume Mineral Base Mascara, and I think this is like a mini size or a travel size. I'll take it out and have a look now, and it's Ultimate Black. Oh, I don't know, it could well be full size. Could well be. Look there. A really, really good wand. The type of wands I go for. Something to grab my lashes. So it says Dream Lashes, Real Volume and Lift, Magic Wand Brush, Tapered Peak fans out from lashes from root to tip, soft staggered bristles evenly coat each lash, and Mega Impact Buildable Volume. So yeah, really happy with that. So there's that. Then we've got like a little sample card, and this is by bareMinerals again, and this is Skin Longevity, and it's clean without compromise, and it's 3 times 1 mils for all skin types. That's what it looks like there. I'll just open it up and show you what's inside. So you've got 3 little different sachets. So the Vital Power Infusion, so that's like a serum. Then you've got a Vital Power Moisturiser and a Vital Power Sleeping Gel, and they're all like 1 mils. So yeah, enough for one use there. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Lord & Berry, and it's in shade Silhouette, and I thought it was a white eyeliner, but I don't think it is. I think it's a lip liner. When I apply it to my hand, nothing comes out. And I do think it's a lip liner. It's to stop lipsticks from bleeding, and it feels sort of creamy on my hand, but you can't see nothing. So there's that. And then finally we got some sheet masks. So these 2 are by Bubble Tea, and then one sheet mask is lemongrass and green tea for hydration and toning. Then we got hibiscus and acai berry tea, and this is for hydrating and toning as well. Oh, I just assumed that they'd be for different things. But yeah, so you got 2 sheet masks there. And they're for your face obviously, and it just tells you on the back how to use it. You apply, leave it onto your face for 20 minutes, pull off, and then massage the remaining essence into your skin. So there's those. And then the last item is sheet mask by BeautyPro, Thermotherapy Warming Gold Foil Mask with hyaluronic acid and Q10. And this is restoring and moisturising, and it's suitable for all skin types. It's an anti-aging formula. It's a self-warming, intense hydration for fatigued skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It just says to leave on for 20 minutes. A similar sort of procedure. Now I don't know if I've ever tried this before. I try a ton of sheet masks. I tend to just grab them and just put them on my face, and yeah, I can't always remember what ones I've used, but that sounds really good. That sounds really interesting. The fact that it's warming, because a lot of these sheet masks, if you've never tried them before, they are freezing. When you first put them on your face, they are really, really, really cold until your face gets used to it. But no, I like the sound of that one, self-warming. So those are all the products. So I'm just going to go through them all one by one, doing a bit of a recap to show you what you'll get in the box. So we got a tanning lotion by He-Shi, I think that's how you say it. Got a lip liner, I presume, from Lawton Berry. We got Regenerate Enamel Care Toothpaste. We got bareMinerals Skin Longevity little samples. Got a BeautyPro Thermotherapy face mask. Got 2 sheet masks by Bubble Tea. We got a Boucleme curl conditioner. Got a Mayo Cellulite Soother. bareMinerals Lashtopia Mascara. Emma Hardie Purifying Pink Clay Detox Mask. Got a Nails Inc Caviar Base Coat. Got a Sanctuary body butter, got a little We Are Paradoxx hair mask, and finally we got a Good Girl perfume by Carolina Herrera. Please let me know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Did you see last month's box? How do you think they compare? Is this a box that takes your fancy, or do you think, no, not for you? All your thoughts and opinions, as always, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.